Good morning kids. We are going to see how to draw this lotus. For this you need soft pastels, paper, normal HP pencil, eraser, A4 size note. Okay, take the notebook and take the page and draw the center petal. Draw 5 or 6 petals on each side at equal distance. You can put a mark and then you can draw this. Keep on drawing like this. Now I will show you how to color this. I have used dark pink soft pastel for creating the lines, outlines. Okay, little bit thick you have to draw. After that you can use white or half white or creamy white color soft pastel to color the center part. First you draw this outline and give the shadings as I shown. Keep on coloring. Okay. Now make the outlines little bit thick at the edges. I will tell you the purpose why we have to do this. Okay. Inwards. Now take this half white color as I shown. Color the center part. Slowly and neatly. Use your finger, this fingertip, to spread the shade. Okay, I am mingling this darker shade towards upwards as well as towards downwards. Using my finger I am spreading the color. I am mixing the color actually with the cream color at the center. Okay, you could see the process how I am doing this. Like this you have to mix both. As it is a soft pastel, no, you can get it easily mixed up. So complete the process and you can give the final touch afterwards. Using your fingers you have to do this at the very minute edges. No, for that you can use earbuds. See, I am using the earbud to complete the edges, to make the edges even and to make the shades perfect and even. See, continue the process. Finally, draw the leaf, color using light green and dark green and create the rain effects as is shown. Using light green you have to color the leaf first and then using this dark green you can create the grain effect like Wow, that's all. You have finished all the process. Now you can see the result. It's perfect, I think. Please try drawing this. Thanks for watching.